A few days back, one of my friend asked me that केबल की जो लेंथ होती है वो चार्जिंग स्पीड को वेरी करती है क्या? So Ayush, here is your reply. It seems so long that I haven't uploaded videos on YouTube because of my busy schedule. Well, I will try my best to upload as many videos as I can with some more quality content from now. So today in this video, we're gonna talk about power bank. The things which you should keep in mind before purchasing power bank or before using it. And at last, we will see which power bank is the best to buy at its best pricing. Well, hello everyone, this is Vivek and you're watching Technologic. So let's get started. So the things which we should keep in mind before purchasing power bank are listed below. On number 1, pass-through charging. Pass-through charging is the characteristic of power bank which charges your phone at first, then it gets charged itself if the phone is connected with the power bank and simultaneously the power bank is kept on charging. Number 2, protection. Usually the manufacturing company provides 4 kinds of protection: overcharging protection, overvoltage protection, protection in case of excessive temperature, and short circuit protection. So you must check all the 4 of them before purchasing it. A few days back, one of my friend asked me that केबल की जो लेंथ होती है वो चार्जिंग स्पीड को वेरी करती है क्या? So Ayush, here is your reply. Now before I answer this question, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Now we know that R is equals to rho L by A, where R is the resistance, L is the length of the wire and A is the area. Also, according to Ohm's law, I is equals to V by R, where I is the current, V is the voltage and R is the resistance. Now if we use long wire, that means the length of the wire is more. Since the length of the wire is more, the resistance will be more. And according to Ohm's law, if the resistance is more, the current will be less. Since the flow of current is less, it is obvious that it will take more time to charge your device. Hence, long wire may hamper your charging speed, but it is valid to a certain limit for the length of the wire. So now let's come back to the power bank. So on number 3, efficiency. How to check the efficiency of your power bank? So to check the actual efficiency of your power bank, you have to discharge your power bank completely and then you have to charge it. You have to do this couple of times to get the maximum efficiency of your power bank. Now it is obvious that you won't get the full efficiency of your power bank at the first time. Now let's talk about brand. So you guys can buy the power bank of any reputed brand like Xiaomi, Sony, Samsung, Huawei, Anker, Embrain and OnePlus. But OnePlus will not provide the property of pass-through charging in its power bank. Now let's talk about which power bank would be the value for money or paisa wasool. Now according to me, I would suggest you to buy the power bank of Xiaomi, which is Mi2i of 10,000 mAh power capacity, which contains 2 USB output port which gives output of 5.1 volt 2.4 ampere on both the port, and it comes with the USB to micro USB data cable inside it, which all worth of rupees 799 exclusively on Amazon. I am using it since a month, so I guess this would be the paisa wasool product in terms of power bank. But here is something important which I have to mention in this video. Don't buy a power bank from any local market. They will provide the first copy power bank of the brand which won't work out, obviously. Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed learning from this video. Make sure to like this video and comment your thoughts related to this video down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And at the end, thanks for watching.